look at that. Eh? Sure.
What the hell is this unnecessary?
Yeah, me know why you're not fireman. Me know why you're not fireman.
That's fireman.
Me know why you're not fireman.
Hit that subscribe button and don't let me have nothing.
Rush-Dem Vlogs
Hello everyone, WaGwaNious. My name is Rush-Dem Rushawn. Coming to you again with another spectacular vlog video. And this week vlog video is a special vlog video. I was born in August the 6th. Jamaica's Independence Day, guys. Happy birthday to me, happy birthday to Jamaica. I will leave my cash app down in the description below. And you can send me a good thing in the caption. But anyways, let's get back to the video. Basically for this week vlog video, I'm basically gonna do a little prank. A fake tattoo prank. I'm gonna put on one of them fake tattoo here. You know, say that kind of breaking my heart. This is I put on a tattoo and stuff, but I just feel like this is one of the best way I can catch you, you know. I'm not gonna expect that. Yes, I can't see if he chop the right. This so it's that big old ugly chop the right. This is a film one, you know. I'm gonna just wait for him come in. I'm supposed to soon come in and now, so I'm gonna set up the camera. Do my local exercise like I usually do. Take off the shirt and we can get a reaction all the time.
Rush-Dem said like the video.
How you say that?
Yes, show me how to do my exercise.
Yeah, exercise.
Yeah.
Look, come on, you're supposed to do a lot better than that. That's how I do.
Yeah, well, that's something to say.
But that can't make you sweat. Supposed to lift some 50 pounds and
But you're not even know nothing about this.
You want to do something strong?
What?
You want to do something strong?
Something strong.
Something strong for drink.
Yeah, but it's strong already. Young people I need them stuff.
But some sweat, let me see. 1,
After that, when I'm work out in that piece, no?
2, 3,
Really?
4. Gotta count that. 5.
You have to come and go and interrupt me, man. Like
You
really?
should have to do it before you know my time when you come in, so you have to do it before you reach that. I'm more, I'm not talking to you, man. Yeah? Talking. Oh, come on, done already. Yeah.
I haven't too much knives, I'm gonna get hot.
You man done already. I done you done so quick, man.
I'm hot.
You know, wow, enough more. Hola. Hola. Rushawn, really?
Oh,
Really?
what?
What do you mean what? I want to fire.
Oh, yeah, talk about this. You get that tattoo?
Get the what?
You get that tattoo. Get that tattoo.
Rushawn. You know the thing that definitely not. You know if me putting supply, you know then something. First of all.
Tomorrow I'm birthday, I'm feel I'm hungry.
Then you couldn't get something different.
Something different, this me
Yeah,
like.
tattoo.
Yeah.
No man. You make me feel right now. You know, me not expect that from you because me no grow you so.
My bird, listen up.
No, you
Listen up.
yo,
That's the list for me. You hear me have to say.
Me no want.
Tomorrow I'm a bird.
Me no care what you say, no matter what you say. This no stand good with me. This no sit good with me.
Listen, everybody have wear tattoo.
So you have a follow, you have a. So you know how me feel about them things, and you always talk about say why you respect my opinion and all of that. And look at that you get.
But it's just a tattoo. It's not that serious.
I mean, it's not that serious.
Everybody wear tattoo.
Yo, me no raise you for no follower. You're a leader, and you're not supposed to do that. And you don't know how me feel about that.
All kind of things that, like, people wear tattoo every day. This is normal.
But this is not dinner time when you first of all, me, you know, say me no grow your way there. Me no, you know me no grow that way there. I mean, I never teach you that way there. Me not. People who want their tattoo, they can't get their tattoo. Get all I want.
Me are two different persons.
And that you have to say no. And that you have to say no.
That's it. So when you the younger and me.
But me never get no tattoo. You know how me feel about this. First of all, when people have all their tattoo and all something. First of all, it can bring attention to you. Understand? Them think they bring attention to you.
But
and then. But you know that thing they say, boy, you may always talk about that. I may always tell you about that. You don't want to hear nothing, man. You don't want to hear nothing, man. You don't want to hear nothing from you, man. Because I never expect that from you. I don't want to hear nothing from you, man. I never expect that from you. I don't want to hear nothing from you, man. Because I never expect that from you. I expect that from you.
You don't look at tattoo.
You can't get it off. What if you want to get it off? You can't get off about that.
Well, I'm not going to take it off because I like it. That's why I'm getting it.
You like it?
Yeah.
Alright, keep it then, man. But keep your shirt on when you're around. I don't want to see that.
Really?
I tell you, man. You know what? Right now you spoil all my day. I don't want to hear nothing. I don't want to hear nothing from you right now.
It really that serious.
That's serious. Very serious for me. Because that personal, that's serious for me. Look for me. Me never put a tattoo on myself. And me no want to. Me never expect enough to come put on a tattoo. That's why I'm
going to tattoo, yo. This is something by your skin, a style.
Oh, your style. So everything you have to follow. You have to follow style. What's move in front of me, man?
Just look by it now.
Just move in front of me. What's your man? Move on the side of me, man. With that. Move on with that. You don't know foolishness. Or that foolishness that. I waste money. You better tell me boy I get it. So a matter of fact, I'm not planning to get you something for your birthday. Don't forget that. No. Sure. This is no sense. Look all the way. Now your talk, now your reason, Look all that. Sure.
What's all of this one?
Like my time I just go on back and go over and make something. Because I never expect all of that, man. That's all that damn foolishness the way you come out. Yo, me never grew you like that, man. Watch it.
I prank. I prank, man. You're not real. You're not real, man. I prank. That's what they do.
A tattoo that, Mr. Panya, so you mean a prank? A tattoo that?
Not real, man.
What's your man? What you mean that not real?
It's
I will
fair.
get me for idiot, not fool. Tattoo that. A tattoo that.
You real, I could have touched it. Never say I to them and do it.
What's your man?
Rush-Dem Vlogs. Thanks for watching. You can watch more videos down below on the left. But don't forget to hit